Welcome everyone to another video. It's crypto weapon again with another juicy update on Falcon. Guys, remember this is a platform that is a silent killer. It is killing it for me. It's consistent. You get 150% ROI in just 30 days. I haven't put this up much, but I've been plowing through and it's been delivering results, guys. So I really like the look of this one. Guys, the link is in the description if you want to start off with anything small. Just get your feet wet and see how it does. So you do not have to do your withdrawals with this particular platform. Withdrawals are done automatically. No, I lied, not this one. I'm talking about Binance. Those are done automatically for you. This one you actually do your withdrawals yourself, and it's pretty. It hasn't let me down. Everything going smooth, nothing to complain about, just going through the motions. So you're going to get half of your investment in a month. And remember guys, they do not hold your money, so your money is not locked in. Your initial capital is not locked in. It's given back to you on a daily basis, as so it's your initial and your gains coming back to you as well, all at the same time. So guys, check this one out. It's fantastic. I'm gonna quickly look to sign in and just give you a glimpse of what's happening in there. Guys, needless to say, this is not financial advice and I am not your financial advisor. Right, so we're back into the platform. So this is what it looks like, guys. There is a previous video and it should reflect now just above this video that explains everything that's necessary to know about this platform. A full review of the platform, but this is what it looks like, guys. So you can see here on the right hand side, this is what I have profited. So I can do a withdrawal. So I think the minimum withdrawal, folks, is 15 USDT. So I've obviously had to wait a couple of days before I can withdraw. I didn't know that too well before I joined. I probably thought, you know, I could withdraw every day. So that's something to look at when you look at how much you're actually depositing into a platform. I like to withdraw every day, but in this instance, I've been forced to withdraw every second day. So these are the withdrawals I've made so far. I obviously started the account off with 250, which is brilliant. Oh, you can't see my balance. Always click on the whatever crypto you use to top up. So as you can see, I've earned 125. So I basically earned half. So I'm halfway there. So I'm going to earn another 125, which will be my total investment, and another 125, which will be what I'll gain over the course of 30 days, which is half of my investment. Okay guys, so without any further ado, I'm going to withdraw this. I will click Tron again. Just remember to always click whatever your investment, or should I say whatever your coin that you've actually used to deposit. I'll put your password in. And withdraw. The application is successfully processed. So that's a joy. So that's all gone through, and so it's waiting now. This one pretty much is very quick. I'm talking sort of within 10 minutes, 5 minutes, you should have your funds depending on the blockchain. Guys, that's a quick and short one. Remember to like, subscribe. My Instagram, Telegram link is in the description. Thanks for your support. Thanks for looking out for the kids. We're on 161 subscribers. It'll mean a lot if everyone can subscribe, if you obviously enjoy the content and it means something to you. Alright guys, and on that note, I'm out.